Managing your site inspections, well, it's a nightmare. Old school methods like paper and spreadsheets just don't cut it anymore. That's why we created OMTrak SiteWorks, a faster, more efficient way to manage your defects, snags, and punch lists, as well as site safety and incomplete work. The SiteWorks mobile app makes capturing issues and taking photos a breeze. You get complete real-time visibility, plus it works both online and offline, so you can continue working uninterrupted even in mobile black spots. You get QR scanning for locations, real-time status tracking, and the best part? It's completely integrated with OMTrak Manuals module. You can tag issues to your asset data and create scheduled maintenance works for ongoing servicing. OMTrak SiteWorks will significantly improve the efficiency and accuracy of identifying and managing your site, saving you time and, of course, money. OMTrak SiteWorks. Try it today.